Defense Mechanisms of the Common Octopus by Eliana Reyes and Risa Wendell, San Diego Mesa College.
In terms of their distribution and habitat, Octopus vulgaris are found worldwide in tropical and temperate waters. They are abundant in the Mediterranean Sea, off the coast of Japan, and in the eastern Atlantic in coastal water between 1 to 200 meters. They are found in shallow waters to the outer edge of the continental shelf. Now, onto some basic information about the common octopus. Common octopuses are medium-sized octopus from the phylum Mollusca and class Cephalopoda. They have a bulbous head, large eyes, 8 distinctive arms, but most importantly, its wide array of techniques that it uses to avoid or thwart attackers. The octopus is a very intelligent animal, and I feel as though we can learn a lot from these unusual creatures. Like I mentioned previously, octopus are highly intelligent creatures. They have a well-developed brain, and this allows them to perform amazing tactics in order to survive. Octopuses have 9 brains, 1 central brain, and mini brains in each arm called ganglia. The cool thing about these mini brains is that they can each act independently. Now, before we get into the defense mechanisms of the octopus, I feel like it is important to highlight other animals that are utilizing tools in order to hunt or avoid prey. Like the octopus, bottlenose dolphins are highly intelligent creatures. In Shark Bay, Australia, bottlenose dolphins have been observed teaching each other a new way to use a tool. In a practice called shelling, dolphins will chase fish into abandoned giant snail shells on the seafloor, then bring the shell to the surface, shake them with their nose, draining the water out and catching the fish that fall out.
Bottlenose dolphin's tactic is very impressive. However, octopus has larger brain. Octopuses are thought to be the smartest invertebrate animal in the world. They have various defense mechanisms to protect or hide themselves from predators. In these next couple of slides, we will be talking about these defense mechanisms, including inking, using shells, color, and shape changing. Inking is the most obvious defense tactics in octopuses. When they release their ink, their predator attacks the ink cloud instead of the octopus, allowing for an easy getaway. The ink is actually a combination of melatonin and mucus. It is stored in a series of sacs and released from the same siphons through which octopuses expel waste. Octopuses also utilize tools in order to avoid predators, rather than catch prey like bottlenose dolphins do. Australian scientists discovered an octopus in Indonesia that collects coconut shells for shelter. The octopus chooses halved coconut shells from the seafloor, then empty them and put the shells together to make their own hiding spot. Not only that, they carry them long distances to a perfect hiding spot, which was uniquely interesting. Collecting it to use later was the most baffling part for scientists. They also utilize other seashells. When they feel the danger by being chased from the predator, they can quickly collect the empty seashells from the seafloor and disguise themselves with the hard armor. By doing so, they can escape while shells confuse the predator. This tactic is the newest discovery. It shows how smart octopuses are. This tactic shown in the picture is called mimicry. The mimic octopus does the most remarkable mimicry. Those octopuses who live in the open shallow ocean, they developed this adaptation. They mimic other creatures who have strong toxicity and change the way it moves its arms to impersonate different animals. These include lionfish, flatfish, sea snakes, anemones, jellies, and feather stars. They also mimic their surroundings to hide from predators. Lastly, body language. Octopuses has been known to express certain kinds of body language in order to resolve conflicts and defend themselves. In combative situations, octopus will change the brightness of their bodies as a signal. Dark shades mean "let's fight," and lighter shades mean a sign of retreat. Standing tall is also another defense mechanism seen here in the video. As you witnessed, octopuses are very intelligent animals. What we introduced here as octopus's defense mechanisms are inking, tool usage, mimicry, and body language. Octopuses might continue to evolve with their intelligence every day, and it intrigues many scientists to study them. They are such a fascinating creatures. This has been the defense mechanisms of the common octopus by Eliana Reyes and Risa Wendell from San Diego Mesa College.